Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a video on, basically, I already have the bottle made, but we're going to make her some, food before she goes to bed, and then, yeah, we're just going to be doing a routine, and I'm about to go shut my door, so you guys can, okay, so, hopefully you guys can't hear that. My neighbor is crying, my mom's making him a blah, so, yeah. Okay, so that is good enough, and, we're going to just add, oh wait, that is very much. That's way too much. Okay, that's a bit which way going. That was like a lot of cooking in the morning. So this looks more like grape stuff. So I'm gonna add some lotion to it. That's good enough. It's like this lotion is like very liquidy. So I'm not gonna add too much. Okay, so this. Okay, so yeah, that's the texture being good. Let's go ahead and go get her in the feeder and get her ready for bed and get her into her PJs. Okay, so let's take her out of mine. Out of her. Oh my goodness. No. Yeah, and if you guys wondering what that is, that's like her birthmark. So yeah, anyways, let's put her in her high chair. You guys are probably wondering, how do you lose a high chair? I lose everything, including her high chair. It was just right here where I had it just this morning. I'm guessing my little sister probably took it downstairs like she pretty much she does that sometimes. So anyways, I go get her food. It was green. Really? Really? Huh? Mama. Yeah. You guys don't know what she was holding. This is her reborn. It's her reborn baby doll. We are working on getting it painted. It's full white silk on. So yeah, its hair is already painted and stuff, but we're going to work on getting it like actually painted to look like more real. Anyways, let's do this and go get it. Okay, sit up. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and first put a bib on her. And her food is like on the ground. You guys can't really see it. Right now we are in her crib. And yeah, I'm gonna put a bib on her. Just like that. And yeah. Then we're gonna take a scoop right here. Here come here. There's like little stuff in there. Here come the airplane. Oh. Okay. Yeah. She just turned 1 year old yesterday, so I didn't get to make a video of it because I didn't have enough storage, but I just deleted some pictures so I can make this one. Feeling. Feeling. More? Here comes the